What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I can't wait to get into today's video, man. I was kind of big chilling, man. You guys seen the video yesterday where I grabbed this new 2021 Road Glide here, man. And I was just thinking I wanted to do a quick flip. Then I was like, man, I gotta go up with it, man. I gotta go up. Big 124. Gotta go nice paint scheme, nice rims. I'm thinking about something, and I'm thinking I'm about to go with it, man. So I think today we about to bust down this bike and get this paint set to Antonio and try to get this show on the road before we head up out of town, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. So help your boy out. I definitely appreciate it, man. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the video, hit that bell just so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back there, or my 2015 CVO, man, I'm giving them both away. All you gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're giving them both away at the same time. I can't wait, man. So head over there right now and go get your entry. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there right now and we could be pulling up at your door. In the meantime, it's time to get this show on the road, dog. Quick update on the wheels on our 2017 Road Glide. The 23 was not savable. Actually, we're getting another one made as we speak, man. So it's gonna be a few weeks till that gets done with the chroming and everything, but we do have a new 23 on the way. Can't wait for that. Also, Harley still hasn't called me back about the bike that's not starting. So I'm hoping they call us back today, man. Let's hope for the best. But you know, the show gotta go on, man. So let's get this 2021 ready to go now, shall we? Alrighty, man. Back in the garage next morning here. We got this 2021. Like I said earlier, guys, I was thinking about doing a quick flip on it. However, it just make more sense for me to just like, you know, paint it and enjoy it and to actually like, you know, be my personal bike for a while. So I think I'm gonna go kind of out on this one. I'm thinking 124 kit, nice paint set, of course, 21 inch. Don't know what color scheme I'm gonna go just yet, so we'll keep an eye on that. But I think that's what's gonna be our task today, man. So we're gonna get these bags taken off, side covers taken off, rear fender, gas tank, and the oil cooler cover. We already got the inner and outer fairing. Probably just gotta take off these covers. But other than that, we should be good to go, man. So if you guys haven't liked, comment, and subscribe, we got that inner and outer up there. We should be good to go with that. Alrighty, guys, now that we got that rear fender off, got our side covers off, it's just gonna be the gas tank, and then we are going to be pretty much dismantling everything, taking everything apart, but not that much to do. Just tedious with the little bolts and the parts that's like really tight, like that has a really tight space. But other than that, so far so good. Let's keep it rocking. Alrighty, man, so we got pretty much everything off the bike that we're going to be painting, everything. So I can't wait to see how this one comes out. I think this color is going to be really, really sick. I got two colors in my head. Don't really know which one I'm going to go with yet, but time will tell. But meantime, let's get these bags and this rear fender taken apart along with the gas tank, and then we should be pretty much good to go after that. like that, guys, we got all our parts taken apart, ready to go. We got some extra stuff for the front. I'm about to pop the little speaker grills out of these so I can get those painted too. But all in all, this thing is stripped down, ready to go. We do have some cups already for the fork, so no need there. And then I already have some other lowers right there. So we're gonna be either getting those powder coated or painting, one of the two. I don't know which way we're gonna go, but it's gonna look nice, man. I can't wait. It's time to load these things up and get on up out of here, big dog. Alrighty, guys, you see we got all of our parts in a freaking I-8 again, man. I told y'all I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm going to the city of dreams and I want to look clean and mean sliding through these streets, man. So you guys already know what it is. We are on our way to the post office real quick to drop off some of your orders. So some of you guys will be getting your wallets and stuff here shortly. Meanwhile, if you ordered a hat or anything, you will be waiting a couple more weeks, unfortunately, but fortunately it'll be worth the wait, man. So stay tuned. Let's get these packages dropped off and get on our way now, shall we? Tony, yo, what's up, man? Oh man, it's lunchtime or what? Working hard or what? Yep. Okay, it's looking clear in here. You done cleared out a few cars since the last time I came, huh? That's funny. I'm gonna start pulling this stuff out. All right, man, y'all see we back at Antonio's. We got our paint set here, man. I totally forgot a front fender, but we gonna get it situated when we come back, or come back out this way, or we'll probably try to find one today, but we gonna get it going, man. Can't wait. Can't wait. Y'all see what's going on. Just pulled up on a homie. Got that joint out, man. Ooh. And y'all already know what time it is, man. I wish I would have brought my bike so we could have went for a ride, but we will have our time to slide, man. We getting ready to head up north, and this thing is up for grabs, man. So if y'all haven't entered for my boy's Road King right here, man, head over to his page and he'll had all the details and stuff for you. But it's got that big 23 on him, man. I'm digging it. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'm digging the seat with the blue trim. Pretty clean bike, man. It could be one of y'all's. That thing got them thumpers on that thing, man. That thing got them thumpers on that thing. Don't do it for me. Don't do it for me, man. Oh, yes, sir. Hey, man, guarantee if he had his helmet on, he would have got cracking. Hey, man, so if you had your helmet on, would you hit it?
Hey, I swear to God.
Hey, see, I told y'all. I'm done. I'm like, I just told him, I'm like, man, if he had his helmet on, I guarantee you he would have hit it.
I ain't gonna lie.
That's funny, dog.
That water hit my head. I'm like,
That thing sound beastie, though, man. I love that pipe on the side, man. I didn't get me one of them.
We coming with some real motors.
Hey, man, nah, it's going up. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just like that, guys, we made it back to the crib late as heck last night. But we got all our parts dropped off at Antonio. So by the time we get back from up north and stuff, that thing should be done. Literally forgot this freaking piece right here, man. Looked at it yesterday, totally forgot it. So I gotta take that or get that, find a way to get that to LA before we get it done, get it painted. But I think I'm about to hop on this Road Glide real quick just for a hot sec. Our 2017 Road Glide, we just got word that they did get it cranked up. However, it's some other issues. I'll leave that for the video tomorrow. But all in all, really good, man. What did you guys think about today's video? Yeah, and I thought I was gonna take the freaking Road Glide, but we were on the Street Glide because the music sounds better and it's got leg warmer. So it's gonna keep my legs warm with these thin pants on, and it's gonna be a lot louder. So can't wait, man. Let's get this thing going. See if we can get a first start on this joint. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. It's Sunday morning. Waking everybody up bright and early, man. Can't wait to slide, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. This could be yours, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Buy anything on the site. I'm giving away my CVO Street Glide along with my Road Glide, man. So go get your entry while you can. I'm about to hop on this thing. In the meantime, I will catch y'all on the next one, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy out. Support your boy. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow right here in the black and red, or my 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, buy anything on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, it was a good day. We dropped our paint set and stuff off, so can't wait to see how that thing comes out, man. If you guys haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to hop on this Road Glide and get out of here. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.